Actually,
It's coming.
oh, dropped your umbrella. That's neat. I can hear it coming. To the free card. Here it is. It's a Westinghouse. This is awesome.
Apparently it's padlocked. You can't open up.
Yeah, they are absolutely against anyone opening this sort of door. I don't know why. Or this door. Oh, look, you can see it's a Westinghouse. That's so cool. Whoa. Shaky. Let's get a picture of this panel. Very, very neat. Nice motor. Yeah, I don't know why they don't want anyone going out that door, but all right then. If they
This door
insist.
actually leads into the hallway, while the other one goes into the stairwell.
Unfortunately, the old Westinghouse logo on this side is all rubbed off, but that's all right.
Yeah, you can at least see the logo.
Yeah, you can see the circle bar W on either side. Oh, you can hear the other one going too. Look at the awesome old cat. Look at the hatch, it's triangular. I love this old cab. Once again, Mr. Security is watching. That's a nice breeze. It's a replaced light fixture.
Here at all.
What?
Like, there's no other door.
Oh yeah. You know, I really wonder why they don't want it opening on that side. Maybe the gate's messed up or something. Here, I want to open and see the... Let's just go up to one after this. Maybe the call's original? Let's see here. Oh wow, that's neat. Jeez, that's a stiff button. Let's see here. Whoa, that is a stiff button. All right, up to one. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. This thing would have been really cool to see original, but honestly, it's still pretty neat as is. And
Oh wow, so it's actually
whoa.
2 steps down?
Yeah, look at that. All right, open it up. This door is obviously replaced. You got the gate. Watch out. That's an arrow heart button, I think. But that's it.